here in the program which is called as Masjid Darshan. So this is basically, as you can see, it is a peace-loving, peace and lovely program where people from all communities and all faiths are invited and come and look like like what's happening in the masjid, like what people do here and what Islam is, so that they can get to know like what people are actually doing it here. So the like since morning, like there are the program was scheduled from 4 p.m. And still going on. So currently, like many people, and I'm really happy to share that there was a very positive number of people who turned up, and they got to know like what actually happens like in the masjid and like what actually happens. So to just in brief, as you can see, this is the praying area. So we got a chance to explain the essence of prayer and the essence of togetherness and also congregation in Islam. So here people are they come and pray all together, turning towards one God. So that's the main purpose. And apart from that, apart from like praying a namaz, there are other activities also held in the masjid. So like people like there are many educational sessions here, and also many charitable or social service programs also happen here. Like for example, like helping the needy or orphans, like that. And so. So yeah, and like we also got we asked the people, like whoever came, we asked for their feedback, and by the grace of God, it was really good. So like people got to know, like, so like there were many questions and also like misconceptions. Yeah, like few people had a doubt that whether can actually people from other religion can they enter a mosque or not. So that was the first question. And as a matter of fact, like yes, like there is no you all are invited. You all can come and have a look like what actually like happens in a masjid. So that was a very that question was like what people had.
There's also a question like women cannot enter mosque. What do you think about it? People think like that women cannot enter mosque.
Okay, as a matter of fact, I am standing right in front of you. So like that itself just nullifies the misconception, because there is no such thing or any restriction for a woman to enter Islam. So in Islam, both men and women can come and pray in a masjid or a mosque. The only thing is, for a woman, it is optional. If she wants, she can pray at her home also. Or if she wants to come and pray, she can still pray. But for a man, it is compulsory for him to come and pray in a masjid.
So do you think events like this are important?
Yes, sure. Because see, this is basically it is like an awareness for the people to because we can see that nowadays there are so many there's so much hatred spread regarding Muslims or Islam. Like obviously everyone knows, you and me, everyone knows it. Like it's all going on social media and so and so. But when we arrange such programs or activities, we come and people come and get to know what Islam actually is and what it actually talks about. And here we see basic thing is Islam wants peace. Yeah, so, and that's what we want with the entire humankind, be it any religion. Like we all the human beings should be treated equally. All the human beings are same in front of God, and there is no discrimination based on any regard to such things.
So other question is, we have witnessed Masjid Darshan. It's been happening for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you think we should also have the same thing for Temple Darshan and Church Darshan? It's good to understand their religion too.
Yeah, it is a very good initiative. All the communities can take. So like by doing such activities, like people from other religion, they will get to know about your own beliefs or what you have. So in that way, we think that many misconceptions can be cleared, right? Because obviously, like whatever we see around us is not the actual truth, right? So but the fundamental things are basically hidden. So as in Islam, like Islam spreads peace and harmony, but that's what is not shown in the media. So in case, I think such initiating such programs is a very good thing, and it also helps for a better cause for the entire society.